So last week I held an open vote on Instagram for which one of my old paintings I should recreate on a canvas. This painting of the two parrots was most popular, so in this video I am going to be recreating this painting. I decided to recreate this painting on a heart-shaped canvas, as you can see here. This canvas is really heavy and sturdy. I am first sketching out my drawing of the parrots and the tree. I started drawing the tree trunk and then worked my way up to the parrot's feet and then the parrots. So I am now outlining my drawing in a fabric pen, so it's easier to see when painting. I refer back to the original drawing throughout for a reference. I also make some changes to the tree in this drawing. So I decided to paint this piece in oils. I chose oil paints for this piece because the original was painted in acrylics and I wanted to change it up. I added some walnut alkyd medium to my oil paints to help the paint spread. I decided to paint the tree trunk first. Here I am mixing my palette with the walnut alkyd medium. So here you can see I have painted the tree branch and the background. I am about to go on to paint the birds. So I'm using a dabbing technique to paint my birds. I am choosing to dab the paint onto the birds to create texture. I have not mixed the paint for the birds with walnut alkyd medium. As these are parrots, I am changing up my palette and making the painting bright. On to the second parrot. I am painting back and forth between the parrots so that I can use the same colour on each one. The parrots are almost complete. On completion, I decided to add some coloured sand to really give it that finishing touch. I added gems to the eyes, and look at that texture. Here's a close-up on the coloured sand. This painting will be available for auction on my Instagram page.